Okay, the next part would be electrical adjustments. So I just put 0 decibel tape, and I see that it's 3 decibel lower than I would expect it to be. So what I will do, and looking in the indicator, is like minus 3 decibel, and here on the multimeter it should be minus 2, but it shows minus 5. That's where we will adjust it to make sure it will show minus 2 on both channels. So level is here. Okay, we get 0 here. Let's make it a little bit more precise. Okay, you see, minus still there, and we have 0 here. It just starting lights. So that's cool. Next, you would need to set indicator level. To do that, we will use generator. Oops. And lost the power. So I will turn on generator, set it for 300 Hz. Okay, so I have 300 Hz. I'm switching to the source. I'm reducing level to show minus 2 decibel on the output. On the millivoltmeter, it shows minus 1 here. So what we will do, we will adjust just a little bit to make sure that it will show zeros. It should just start turn on like that. So it was very minor change, like 2-3 degrees. Okay, so it should start lighting, just start. So don't do more, just a little bit. Okay, so we have minus 2 decibel. We have set up our levels on the indicator. Now if we will play our tape, it will show zeros here. So we're good with the levels. So now I will check these two. It's 10 kilohertz level for normal tape and for chrome tape and metal. And the last piece we would be checking levels, recording levels, which sets up here, recording levels, and we will check bias just for the case that it sits properly and records well. I would not adjust it. In previous deck I did not. It was bias was set up properly, no issues at all. So I hope this deck will do the same. So just a little bit adjust levels, as over time parts degrade, and that's where we need to make sure that it will be tuned up to the standards. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. See you soon. So, next part. I just installed 10 kilohertz minus 10 decibel tape. It's half decibel on one channel and 1 decibel on another channel off. So I will be setting up here. So it's just a couple of degrees on one port and on other couple degrees more. That's it. Just a little bit, and you see it now shows minus 10 steady, minus 10 decibel, minus 12 actually, because 0 is minus 2, so minus 10 will be here. Here I'm measuring the frequency. You see, here we have our 10 kilohertz, and there is no harmonics, so it works very well. Now I will install tape type 2 with levels, and we will adjust it for type 2 and type 4. And you see, on one channel is 2 decibel higher. So we will just adjust it. So it's left channel, no, right channel, right. So bringing it back. Okay, done. Just a little bit and it works. You see, here, type 2, 10 kilohertz. A little bit more harmonics, lower than on the other deck, still higher than on Sony, but you should remember that this deck has no audio capacitors in the audio pass, so it's fully DC coupled, so, and it works nice. See those LEDs? It's light there and here. Pretty nice. So we've done these adjustments. So next part would be check recording. So that bias will be fine. We will use type 1 cassette to start with. So we will set into the middle level and bias adjustment. We're using 300 Hz, so I will switch to 300 Hz and we'll set minus 20 decibels. I will be setting it using my millivoltmeter. So we should set minus 22. Come on. I'm sorry. Excuse me for a second. I need 2 hands to set it properly. Okay, so minus 20 here, minus 22, like that, minus 22 here, minus 20 here, because it's like almost 10 decibel range for one segment. So let's do it, remove mass, do it nice. So we have 300 Hz. Let's do record. See how it performs with 300 Hz. I see a level a little bit off. So I will be tuning it for this tape. So we will have exact match. Just 2 decibels. Adjustment. Okay. We need to set up level properly. Done. So here is the source. Oh, here's the tape. It needs to be stopped better. I'm usually adjusting for TDK D90 because type 1, this is the most tapes I have. Come on. So minor changes. Trying to catch up. On the factory, like they do like plus minus 1 decibel. Good enough. I'm doing the best. See here. So source, tape, source, tape. 0.1 decibel change. So that's 300 Hz. Now what we will be doing, we will be changing frequency. We'll go up like 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1000 Hz. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's good. So 10 kilohertz, it shows the same level. Here is the recording phase. I like this deck. Recording phase is pretty nice, 10 kilohertz. And let's go to 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Less than 1 decibel change. 16, 17, 18, 19. Still like minus 2 decibel, minus 1, minus 2, 18 kilohertz, 19 kilohertz, and it's in phase. 20, it shows minus 3 decibel. Okay, and I type 1 tape. So I like this deck. It's records cool and clean. So 300 Hz. No need to change bias. Everything is fine. Let's get this type 2 tape. Having chrome here. Record. And here we have source, tape, source, tape. Level is fine. Let's see bias. Let's go 1000. 10,000. One channel a little bit off. But in this deck we cannot change bias channel by channel. So for chrome and metal it's just common adjustment. So we would not change anything here. And here is the difference. So on this tape shell is not so good. So that's why there is difference is 1 decibel. You see phase is off a little bit. 15, good. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 kilohertz, still good levels. Minus 2 decibel. 21, 22. Okay, 21 was fair. Fair levels, like it. Going back to 300 and switching to metal tape. And imagine it's still 0 on the level, 0 on the bias. No adjustment here and no adjustment on the board. So factory settings still good for bias. And metal tape, the last part. Let's check this guy. Here levels a little bit off. What I will be doing, I will be using this level because we already start for type 1 to adjust for this tape. Okay, like that. So source, tape, no change. Let's go higher. 1 kilohertz. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. Oh, what a bright tape. 15. Let me see. Wow. Metal bias probably is off, so we will adjust it. So 15 kilohertz, metal bias needs to be adjusted a little bit. Let me see, I need more light. normal metal here, the lower one. Let me adjust it. Excuse me for a moment, I need more light to take a look here. What's I'm doing? It's correct, metal bias. Oh, it shows tape as chroma too, so that's why. So I need to fix this switch so it will properly work for metal. I need to deoxidize it. I will return back when I fix it.